In this video, I am going to discuss about one of the important objective weighing method called as critic. So it is one of the method which is useful for estimation of weights, especially for the MCDM problems. The acronym of critic is criteria importance through inter-criteria correlation, and this method was proposed by Diacolicco in the year 1995. He is a chemical engineer. Why we have to use critic? The major reason is it is especially used for objective weights of a relative importance, and here the weights which we are trying to incorporate is going to be depend upon contrast intensity and conflict depending upon our decision problem which we are going to choose. In the previous videos, I have highlighted about this structure. Weighing methods basically classified into three types, that is subjective, objective and integrated. Among that one, we have discussed about analytical hierarchy process, one of the subjective method, and one more objective method called as entropy we have discussed. So this critic also comes under the category of objective. Here you can able to see about this critic method in detail. So what are the procedural steps for critic method? You can able to see the reference also which I have cited here. So the first step in the critic is, as in most of the decision making problems, it is the formulation of a decision matrix because it is objective. So the second step is we have to normalize the input matrix. So normalizing the input matrix by using this particular formula. Here Fj star talks about the ideal value. That is, for example, in my criteria I am having a set of experiments I have conducted. From that one I need to get the minimum value. So here ideal value talks about the best solution, whereas Fj star talks about the maximum value, that is the worst solution. So like that, ideal and non-ideal values I have to compute, and then I have to apply this formula for normalization of the input matrix. Next we have to go for estimation of a standard deviation for this normalized matrix, that is our step 3. In step 4 we are having two things. One is we have to establish the symmetric matrix, that is correlations between our output parameters, like output which we are going to estimate. We have to establish the linear correlation, and also we have to measure the conflict which is created by this particular criteria. And fifth step is estimation of criteria information. So whatever the correlation matrix we have drawn there, from that one we have to subtract 1, and then that we have to multiply it with the standard deviation in the fifth step. And in the sixth step we are going to measure the conflict which is going to be created by the criteria, and here we are getting the weights. So basically whatever the criteria information which we have done it in the step 5, we are going to take that as a reference and we are going to estimate the weights. So this is the basic procedure of critic method. So to make it simple, I am going to take a simple case study where this case study is especially talking about drilling of aluminum 7075 alloy. I have given the reference also here. So in the basically drilling is a one kind of a machining process where it consisting of a cutting speed, feed rate and point angle as an input parameters. So depending upon this, in conducting an experiment, after conducting the experiment onto the aluminum 7075 alloy, then they are going to estimate some outputs also. So the outputs is nothing but our criteria. So what are the outputs here? Surface roughness, thrust forces, cylindricity error as well as circularity error. So all these errors, all these outputs which we are going to be calculated are of minimum only. So we require minimum surface roughness, we require minimum thrust force, we require minimum error, like that. So with this case study, I am going to solve step by step explanation of this critic method by using an Excel sheet.